everyone, it's Mona here at Klatch. Today we're going to be making a really cute owl keychain. So I had a little bit of resin left from a different project, and it's just orange glitter. And I'm going to just put it in this keychain, move it to the edges. I have this little owl that I've had in the craft room forever. I've used some of the other ones in a different project, a coaster, a long time ago. And I'm just going to carefully place him right on here. I'm going to take my lighter, pop the bubbles on the edges here. I probably should have done that first, but that's it. And I'm going to just let him sit a minimum of 12 hours and we'll have this super cute keychain. Our little keychain is cured and it looks really cute with the orange background and the purple little owl. So just in going through stuff that I happen to have still laying around from other projects, I was able to make this cute little keychain. And this owl should be in there pretty secure. Nothing is coming out. Be sure to let me know what you think of it down in the comments below. Just keep your eye out for cute little stuff that you can put in there. And it doesn't have to fit in there. Like, this is just a little bit larger and it just feels like it's coming out and it looks really cute. I hope you guys enjoyed the little keychain and I hope you give it a try. If you're looking to get started with a resin project and are a little bit intimidated, this is a great project to start with. It's really easy. You don't need to use a lot of resin and you can make a really cute project. You can make a bunch of them. So if you're watching me on YouTube, remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and hit the little bell so you get the notifications when something new should come up. If you haven't joined my Facebook group yet, Creating with Klatch, be sure to do that as well. If you're really experienced or just a beginner, it doesn't matter. Everybody can kind of help each other out. It's a great place to share and to just support each other. So if you haven't done that yet, it's called Creating with Klatch, and I have the link down in the description below. Thanks guys so much for being here, and remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye guys.